I'm being a student right now. Hold up, 1 second. Hi, I'm Chan.Higgs, and I'm gonna do my first name's tour today. I know this is like a vlog channel, but I'm just gonna, each of us are gonna do different things. But yeah, today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I think I'm gonna do like a Valentine's thing, but I don't really know yet. I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna start off by cleaning my face with the Clean and Clear Sensitive Skin. And then I'm going to use my Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline to prime my face for all the makeup I'm going to put on it. Next, I'm going to use my Master Conceal by Maybelline to prime my eyelids and give it a clean canvas.
Hey, Miss Carter. Say hey, Miss Carter. Give me some.
Next, I'm just going to use my NYX brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this light pink shade and blend it in to my crease with a fluffy brush. I'm going to use the same palette and get a little bit of a darker shade and do the exact same thing and blend it into my crease. Now I'm just going to get a little bit of a smaller brush and get a little bit of a darker shade and put it in the outer corner of my eyelid and a little bit in my crease to just deepen it up. Then I'm going to use the same brush and get a red shade, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the pink and deepen up my crease and put on my outer corner and a little bit on my lash line. Now I'm just going to get the concealer I used before and a concealer brush and make a cut crease and kind of make it fade. Now I'm going to get a smaller brush again and get the pink that I used at first with a small brush and just replace it into the crease again so I can blend it out and make it fade. Then I'm going to get the fluffy brush and start off with the lightest pink that I used before and go over it in my crease. Now I'm just going to get a pointy eyeliner pen in very black, and I'm just going to make a small wing. Now I'm just going to get my MAC Prep and Prime spray and just spray it over my eyes so they can stay. Now I'm just going to use my Clinique CC Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer foundation and just put it on my face to make my blemishes go away. Now I'm just going to use my concealer to put under my eyes to lighten up my face and on my forehead and my nose and my chin for my highlight areas. Now I'm just going to use my e.l.f. bronzer to kind of bronze and contour my face to make me look skinnier because I look like a square. Now I'm just going to get that small brush again, and since I already had like some eyeshadow on, I didn't pick up any more, and I just put it on my lower lash line to like darken it up and make it look all sexy for Valentine's Day. Now I'm just going to bake my face a tiny bit because personally I don't really like the really baked face look. And then I'm just going to get my Morphe color in Gold Digger and get a really small brush and just put it kind of in my inner corners and a little bit on my lid. Then I'm just going to get a really pink brush since it's Valentine's Day and just put a little bit on my cheeks because a little goes a long way. Now for highlight, one of my favorite parts, I'm going to use, I think it's my e.l.f. It's just this highlight thing and just put it on my cheekbones and my nose. Highlight poppin'! And now I'm just going to spray my face with Prep and Prime again to make all my makeup stay on. And I forgot mascara, but... And then chapstick is a must.
Baby, they tumbling down, and they didn't even put up.
Today's go wash my hands, so I'm just gonna get a makeup wipe.
Am I stupid?
So I realized I didn't have any mascara on, so now I'm putting some on. I'm using Colossal Big Shot Volume Express by Maybelline. Thank you for watching that video. Hold on. It's not like the best, but faded cut crease. Subscribe. Yeah.